In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Podia. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to pick the language you want, and what to expect once you make the change. Start from your Podia dashboard. This is the home base for your account where you can see your products, messages, and general updates. From here, look toward the navigation area and open the settings page. Settings is where Podia keeps the controls for your account preferences, store details, and other site-wide options, including language. Inside settings, locate the language option. This is the dedicated area for choosing the language used across your Podia interface and customer-facing pages. When you open it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click that drop-down and select the language you prefer. As you browse the list, think about both your workflow and your audience. Choosing a language that matches your team's day-to-day work can make managing your store more comfortable, while matching your audience's language can create a smoother, more trustworthy experience at checkout and on your storefront. A quick note on what this setting affects. The language choice updates Podia's interface text, labels, navigation, and standard system pages, things like checkout and account areas that Podia provides. It doesn't automatically translate the words you've written yourself, such as product descriptions, course lessons, or emails you compose manually. If you serve a multilingual audience, you may still want to prepare those parts in the languages you support. Once you've selected your language, click Save. This is important. Until you save, the change won't be applied. After saving, Podia will update the interface language across your account. Most changes are immediate. If something looks unchanged, a quick page refresh is usually enough to pull in the new language. In rare cases, you may need to navigate away and come back to see everything update. If you don't see your preferred language in the dropdown, check back periodically. Platforms like Podia expand language support over time, and you can reach out to their support team to share which languages would help you most. Also remember, currency and formatting are separate considerations. Language won't alter your prices or how you've set up payments. That's all there is to it. Start from your dashboard, go to settings, open the language option, choose the language you want, and click save. With just a few clicks, you can make Podia more comfortable for you and clearer for your customers. Thanks for watching and enjoy your updated workspace.